So guys, something a bit different today. We're here at the Warren Estate in Essex with Petrolheadism Club. Thank you, Chiro, for the invite. We've got the iValet stand up there next to Premium Shield, and we've got loads and loads of really, really cool cars. We'll check out what's on display today, and then we'll have a look around the iValet stand.
Sponsor's choice goes to the Lamborghini Murcielago, the fastest and furious looking Murcielago. Craig's on his way over.
So guys, as you can see, it's been a really successful day today. The rain stayed away, the stand's looking pretty bare, most of the cars have gone home now, but we've had a great time. We'll catch you next week for the next video.